Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Tech India. In this video, we are going to start a series for Certified Cloud Practitioner actual exam questions. This is going to be session first for this series, and if you go through this series from very first video till the last video and understand every question, not just learn, you have to understand each and every question, then you will be able to clear your exam quite easily. So let's start this video with our first question of this series. A company plans to use an Amazon Snowball Edge device to transfer files to AWS cloud. Which activities related to a Snowball Edge device are available to the company at no cost? So in the question they are asking which particular service you will get for free of charge in Snowball Edge device. So here are the options. Use of Snowball Edge appliance for a 10-day period. Option B, the transfer of data out of Amazon S3 and to the Snowball Edge appliance. Option C, the transfer of data from Snowball Edge appliance into Amazon S3. Option D, daily use of Snowball Edge appliance after 10 days. So these are the options. You can take your time to guess the correct answer. Okay, now I am revealing the correct answer. Correct answer here will be option C, the transfer of data from the Snowball Edge appliance into Amazon S3. And why this is correct answer? Because you have to pay for use of this device for the data transfer out of AWS, but it is going to Amazon S3. So it is not going out of AWS. So there will not be any charges for this, and rest of the options are incorrect because there is no such period for which it is free, and at the same time transfer from S3 to Snowball Edge appliances is also not free. So option C is correct here. Now question number 2. A company has deployed applications on Amazon EC2 instances. The company needs to assess application vulnerabilities and must identify infrastructure deployment that do not meet best practices. Which AWS service can the company use to meet these requirements? Here are the options. AWS Trust Advisor, option B Amazon Inspector, option C AWS Config, option D Amazon Guard Duty. And the correct answer here will be option B Amazon Inspector, because this is the tool which helps in identifying vulnerabilities in your applications. It can check which particular package is not up to the date, which package need to be upgraded, and which can cause the issues to the security. So Amazon Inspector will be the correct answer wherever vulnerabilities comes into the picture. Now question number 3. A company has a centralized group of users with large file storage requirement that have exceeded the space available on premises. The company want to extend its file storage capabilities for this group while retaining the performance benefits of sharing content locally. What is the most operationally efficient AWS solution for this scenario? Here are the options. Create an Amazon S3 bucket for each user. Mount each bucket by using an S3 file system mounting utility. Option B. Configure and deploy an AWS storage gateway file gateway. Connect each user's workstation to the file gateway. Option C. Move each user's working environment to Amazon Workspace. Set up an Amazon Workdocs account for each user. Option D. Deploy an Amazon EC2 instance and attach an Amazon Elastic Block Store, that is Amazon EBS, provisioned IOPS volume. Share the EBS directly with the users. So these are the options. Take your time to guess the correct answer, and as the options are longer, so you can take longer time, no issues. Okay, so if you want to take more time, you can pause the video. I'm now going to reveal the correct answer. Option B, that is configure and deploy an AWS storage gateway, file gateway, connect each user's workstation to the file gateway. This is the correct answer here. So option B is correct here because gateway is a hybrid storage database connection. And if you configure and deploy AWS storage gateway, file gateway, it integrates with on-premises environment, caches frequently used files locally, and extend the storage seamlessly to AWS. So that's the advantage of it. So option B is absolutely correct here. Now question number 4. According to security best practices, how should an Amazon EC2 instance be given access to an Amazon S3 bucket? Here are the options. Hard code an IAM user secret key and access key directly in the application and upload the file. Store the IAM user secret key and access key in a text file on the EC2 instance. Read the keys, then upload the file. Option C, have the EC2 instance assume a role to obtain the privileges to upload the file. Option D, modify the S3 bucket policy so that any service can upload to it at any time. So let's start from option D. Here it mentions so that any service can upload to it. Is that the requirement of the question? Here EC2 instance can be given access. So this is incorrect. Now store the IAM secret key and access key. This thing clearly indicates it is not ideal practice to store it in a text file and hard code in a application, and that too secret key and access key. It is also absolutely wrong. So correct answer here will be option C, that is have the EC2 instance assume a role to obtain the privileges to upload the file. And this is correct because IAM role should be used to grant temporary credentials to Amazon EC2 to securely access AWS resources, and that is S3 bucket. So option C is correct here. Now question number 5. Which option is a customer responsibility when using Amazon DynamoDB under the AWS shared responsibility model? So here are the options. Physical security of DynamoDB, patching of DynamoDB, access to DynamoDB tables, encryption of data at rest in DynamoDB. So which is customer responsibility? Physical security? Not at all, because that is managed by AWS. So AWS will take care of physical security. Patching of DynamoDB? You can think about it. Access to DynamoDB and encryption of data at rest. So you can take your time to guess the correct answer. So option C is correct here because physical security is taken care by AWS. Patching is also not performed by customer. Encryption is automatically done. So option C is correct here. So friends, this was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video, and please do subscribe this channel and like this video.